Welcome to Blockchain Vein, the future of tech and AI. Please like and subscribe. In the dawn of civilization, our ancestors bartered, a primitive yet effective system of exchange. Picture this: a farmer trading his surplus crops for a blacksmith's tools, a system built on trust and mutual benefit. As societies grew, so did the complexity of their financial systems. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Sumerians introduced the concept of commodity money, tangible goods like grain, cattle, or precious metals that held inherent value. Fast forward to the era of the Lydians, who, in the 7th century BCE, minted the world's first coins, tiny, shiny symbols of wealth and power. This was a game changer, setting the stage for the monetary systems that we recognize today. But the evolution didn't stop there. Paper money, introduced by the Chinese during the Tang dynasty, revolutionized commerce yet again. Suddenly, carrying wealth became as simple as folding a piece of paper. Then came the advent of the banking system in the Middle Ages, a place to store wealth, earn interest, and borrow money. This pivotal innovation, though fraught with challenges, paved the way for the modern financial landscape. Fast forward to the 21st century. The birth of digital money, credit cards, online banking, and mobile wallets has transformed our relationship with money, making it more abstract, yet more accessible than ever. And now, we stand on the brink of yet another financial revolution, the era of blockchain and digital currencies, a world where money is decentralized, transactions are transparent, and trust is built into the system itself. From barter to blockchain, the journey of financial evolution is a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. It's a story of innovation, challenge, and societal transformation, a story that continues to unfold as we venture into the future of finance. Scene script, voiceover, welcome to the world of banking, a system that has evolved and adapted just as we have. Picture this: the Middle Ages, a bustling marketplace, and the birth of a new institution, the bank. Initially, banks were designed as safe havens for wealth. Merchants, flush with profits from their ventures, needed a secure place to store their precious coins and valuables. Enter the early banks, offering a solution in the form of vaults and safety deposit boxes. But the role of banks didn't stop there. They soon realized they could use the deposited wealth to fund other ventures, creating a system of loans and credit. This was a game changer. Now, a farmer could borrow money to buy seeds and repay the loan after the harvest. Entrepreneurs could finance their dreams, and ordinary people could buy homes and lands on credit. Banks became the backbone of economies, facilitating growth and prosperity. Fast forward to the 20th century, and we see the advent of central banks, institutions that manage a nation's currency, control interest rates, and ensure economic stability. And now, in the 21st century, we're witnessing yet another revolution in banking, the shift to digital. Online banking, mobile wallets, and digital transactions have made managing money more convenient and accessible than ever. From the medieval vaults to the digital domains, banking has come a long way, shaping and reflecting our financial journey. The story of banking is not just about money. It's a story of human ingenuity, societal needs, and the relentless pursuit of progress. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the next chapter of our financial evolution, the era of blockchain and digital currencies. Voiceover. As we continue our journey through the annals of finance, we arrive at a pivotal moment in history, the birth of paper money. Our story takes us to the heart of the Tang dynasty in China, where the first forms of paper currency were introduced. Imagine a world where wealth could be carried as simply as folding a piece of paper. This was a radical shift, transforming the way commerce operated. No longer did merchants have to lug around cumbersome bags of coins or worry about the security of their precious metals. Paper money offered a convenient and lightweight alternative. But the innovation didn't stop at convenience. The introduction of paper money also allowed for the standardization of currency, making trade and commerce more efficient. It provided a means to stimulate the economy, as it made money more accessible and easier to use. The Tang dynasty's ingenious invention soon spread across the globe, with other nations recognizing the benefits and adopting the concept. This was yet another step in our financial evolution, a testament to human creativity and ingenuity. So, from the sturdy vaults of medieval banks to the lightweight paper bills of the Tang dynasty, we see how the world of finance continues to adapt and innovate. But the journey doesn't end here. As we move forward into the digital age, we'll explore the rise of blockchain technology and digital currencies. Stay with us as we unravel the next chapter of this fascinating story. Scene script, voiceover. As our monetary journey continues, we now turn to the mid-20th century, a time when another revolutionary concept was taking root, the advent of credit cards. The idea was simple, yet transformative. A small piece of plastic that could carry immense purchasing power. No longer did one need to carry cash or write checks. With a quick swipe, transactions were completed in seconds. This was a shift from physical to digital, from tangible to abstract. Credit cards not only provided convenience, but also brought about a new level of financial freedom. They allowed people to purchase goods and services on credit, effectively borrowing from the future to satisfy the needs of the present. This concept of buy now, pay later was a game changer, opening up a world of opportunities for consumers and businesses alike. But credit cards also came with their own set of challenges. Issues of debt, interest rates, and financial responsibility became more prominent. As with any innovation, the advent of credit cards had its pros and cons, but there's no denying the significant impact they had on our monetary system. So here we are, from the tangible coins of the ancient world, through the lightweight paper money of the Tang dynasty, to the abstract plastic of the credit card era. But hang on, our journey is far from over. As we move forward, we will delve into the world of blockchain and digital currencies. Stay tuned as we explore the next evolution in our monetary history. Scene script, voiceover. Moving forward, we find ourselves at the dawn of the 21st century, a time when the internet was beginning to weave itself into the fabric of daily life. The financial world was not left untouched by this wave of digital transformation. As we had moved from physical cash to plastic cards, we were now moving from in-person banking to online banking. This shift was revolutionary. Suddenly, banks were open 24/7, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. No more standing in queues, no more restricted banking hours. From checking balances to transferring funds, paying bills to applying for loans, a world of financial services was now just a click away. Online banking did not just change how we accessed our money, but also how we thought about our finances. It gave us the tools to manage our money more efficiently and make informed decisions. It also paved the way for a new breed of financial institutions, the online-only banks. These digital banks, with their low overhead costs, were able to offer competitive rates and innovative services, further pushing the boundaries of what was possible in the banking world. But as with credit cards, online banking brought its own set of challenges. Issues of security, privacy, and digital literacy became increasingly important. The rise of online banking was not just a technological shift, but also a cultural one, requiring us to navigate a new set of norms and expectations. And this is where we find ourselves today, at the intersection of traditional banking and digital innovation. But our journey doesn't end here. As we look to the future, we see the emergence of even more exciting possibilities, from blockchain to digital currencies. Stay tuned as we delve into these in our next segment. Scene script, voiceover. As we ventured into the second decade of the 21st century, a new player entered the financial scene, the mobile wallet. Building on the convenience of online banking, mobile wallets took digital money a step further, putting our entire financial world in the palm of our hands. These applications, accessible on our smartphones, allowed us to store, send, and receive money with just a few taps. From paying for a cup of coffee to splitting a dinner bill, from ordering groceries online to booking a ride, mobile wallets made transactions seamless and instantaneous. Moreover, they also offered a range of additional services like cashbacks, discounts, and loyalty points, adding an extra layer of incentive for users. However, this convenience also came with its own set of challenges. The rise of mobile wallets intensified concerns about data privacy and security. Moreover, they also raised questions about accessibility and digital divide, as not everyone had access to smartphones or reliable internet. Despite these challenges, the adoption of mobile wallets has been growing rapidly, driven by a younger, tech-savvy generation that values convenience and speed. As we move forward, it is clear that mobile wallets will play a significant role in shaping the future of money. But the journey of money doesn't stop here. As we peer into the horizon, we see the emergence of a new form of currency, the cryptocurrencies powered by blockchain technology. But what exactly is blockchain? And how is it changing the way we think about money? Well, that's a story for our next scene. Stay tuned. Voiceover. Just as mobile wallets revolutionized our approach to transactions, blockchain and digital currencies promise to redefine the very concept of money. Imagine a world where money isn't controlled by banks or governments, but by the people who use it. This is the promise of digital currencies or cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. They operate on a technology known as blockchain, a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Every transaction is transparent and cannot be altered, creating a system that is secure, transparent, and resistant to fraud. This fundamentally changes the way we think about money. No longer do we need to rely on a central authority to verify transactions. Instead, trust is built into the system itself. But this new form of money also comes with its own set of challenges. The value of cryptocurrencies is highly volatile, and the technology is still not widely understood. Moreover, concerns about energy consumption and potential misuse for illegal activities also persist. Yet despite these challenges, the potential of blockchain and digital currencies is undeniable. They offer a new way to think about money, one that is potentially more democratic, transparent, and efficient. As we continue to explore this brave new world of digital currencies, one thing is clear: the journey of money is far from over. In the next and final scene, we'll look at what the future might hold for the world of finance. Stay tuned.